Hello everyone, welcome again to Bhumika classes. Myself Bhumika Yadav, and today we will be learning about the last topic of chapter number 1st, crop production and management keywords. So let's start it with agricultural practices. Agricultural practices means different steps are involved in cultivation of the crop. It is known as agricultural practices. मतलब क्रॉप्स को उगाने के लिए अलग अलग स्टेप्स यूज़ किए जाते हैं. जैसे पहले सॉइल को प्रिपेयर करेंगे, फिर उसमें मैन्योर फर्टिलाइजर्स डालेंगे, है ना, ऐसे फिर सोइंग करेंगे, फिर ओके दैट्स इट. तो एग्रीकल्चरल प्रैक्टिसेस means that different steps are involved in cultivation of the crops. These are agricultural practices. Animal husbandry, the process of caring and feeding of animals at a large scale to get the desired things from them is known as animal husbandry. Like example you can take of fish or cow, buffalo, etc. Okay, crop. When the same kind of plants are grown at a large area, they are known as crop, like crops of wheat. Okay. Fertilizers are the inorganic substances which pollute the groundwater also, and they are rich in only one nutrient, like NPK, nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium. Here K represents potassium, remember it. Okay. Then granaries are like go down type which helps in storing of the grains after harvesting. Okay, harvesting, the process of cutting the crops after they get been matured. Harvesting is done either by sickle or by a machine called as harvester. ठीक है. तो irrigation क्या होता है? क्रॉप्स को वाटर करना. The process of watering the crops at a regular interval is known as irrigation is known as irrigation. ठीक है. नेक्स्ट आता है खरीफ क्रॉप्स. आई हैव टोल्ड यू अर्लियर, खरीफ क्रॉप्स आर द क्रॉप्स विच आर सोन इन रेनी सीजन, लाइक कॉटन, पैडी, मेज, सोयाबीन, एक्सेट्रा. ओके. रबी क्रॉप्स आर द क्रॉप्स विच आर सोन इन रेनी सीजन. ओके, फ्रॉम द मंथ्स ऑफ October to March. And the crops which are grown in Rabi season are like mustard, wheat, gram, pea, linseed, etc. Okay, manure is organic substances. It enhances the water holding capacity, and it holds the texture of the soil even, and helps in growth of friendly microbes. Okay, and makes the soil porous even. Then plug मैंने बताया था कि प्लग एंशियंट टाइम से यूज़ किया जाता है, और ये पेयर ऑफ बुल, ऑक्स या काउ से ड्रॉन किया जाता है. और जो आयरन पार्ट होता है वो होता है प्लग शेयर, और जो लॉग ऑफ वुड होता है, या फिर अब आयरन प्लग्स आने लग गए तो लॉग ऑफ वुड और रॉड ऑफ आयरन क्या होता है? प्लग शेफ्ट. ओके. नाउ सीड्स आर something small particles which helps in growth of plants and produce good yield. How we can select bad and healthy and damaged seed? See, take a beaker and fill it with a water. Okay, then and add some seeds in that. If the seeds are floating, then damaged. Okay, and if sinking, then healthy. If sinking, then healthy. Okay. Silos are large tanks which helps in storing of the grains. Okay, and one thing of storage, that it should be kept away by moisture. Okay. Then sowing is the process of adding the seeds in the fields to get better yield, and it is a important task. Okay. Storage in our country, okay, means storage is the process of storing the grains after harvesting is known as storage. And we should store the grains away from pets, rats and other insects, and keep away from moisture. I am telling you this again and again because moistured grains can't germinate. Okay, so they should be dried up first. Threshing is the process of separating chaff from grains. Okay, and it is done by a machine called combine, which is harvester as well as a थ्रेशर, जो कि हार्वेस्टर भी है और थ्रेशर भी है. ठीक है. फिर है हमारे पास वीड्स. वीड्स ऐसे प्लांट्स होते हैं जो नेचुरली ग्रो कर जाते हैं. वो हम चाहते नहीं है लेकिन वो नेचुरली ग्रो कर जाते हैं. वीड्स जो कि नेचुरली ग्रो हो जाते हैं और हमारी इच्छा नहीं होती उनको ग्रो करने के लिए. मीन्स दे आर द अनडिजायरेबल प्लांट्स विच ग्रो along the crops naturally only. Examples are like Chenopodium and Amaranthus. Once you can see the spelling, Chenopodium and Amaranthus. Okay. Now weedicides. Weedicides. What are weedicides? They are the chemicals which are used in killing of the weeds. One chemical of weedicide is 2,4-D. Is 2,4-D is a weedicide, and these are weeds. Okay. Now our last is left, that is winnowing. Winnowing is the see. जिनके पास छोटी ज़मीन होती है वो खुद अपने हाथों से सेपरेट करते हैं. तब विंड ब्लो होती है तो ग्रेन्स सेपरेट हो जाते हैं और अलग हीप बना लेते हैं, और जो चैफ है वो अपनी एक दूर अलग हीप बना लेता है. तो विनोइंग इज द प्रोसेस ऑफ सेपरेटिंग चैफ फ्रॉम ग्रेन्स. ओके. एंड व्हाई चैफ मूव अहेड? because it is lighter than wind. Okay. So it can be carried away by the wind. And why grains fall down? Because they are heavier. So by this our chapter gets completed. Chapter number 1, that is crop production and management. It is completed. Thanks for watching my video. Please like and subscribe my channel.